This is colloidal copper, and I froze it underneath my Orgone cone, and you can see, well, that's the copper on the bottom, but when it freezes it makes like a bubble right in the middle. You can see that bubble, and then it starts making a vortex around the bubble. You can see the vortex too. Here's another one. You can kind of see the vortex on that. That's what the bubble does, though. Orgone does that. Alright, how you guys doing? It's Saturday, August 28th, 2021, and there's a hurricane brewing in the Gulf. It snuck in from underneath, and they have it projected to hit Louisiana, and ironically it's supposed to be the same day that Katrina hit, which was made by them too. So let's see what happens. But I wanted to show you guys some vortexes that I found on this other site that I wasn't able to show you on the other radar, but you can see these vortexes over here. All the wind patterns. There's still a couple of big giant right spin vortexes over here on the Pacific side, and that's helping a lot. I'm actually pointing one of my satellite dishes exactly this way. It goes right through here. The same satellite dish that's terraforming this area right here in the desert. So you can see the water starting up again. I had my lamps turned off, but I turned them back on just recently, a couple of days ago. When this thing started brewing, I turned them on. You should see it diminish greatly in the next day or two. This thing's it should start breaking up, because the infrared heat lamps do help a lot. They turbocharge the whole system like nitrous. And this one over here is brewing. There's a couple of them brewing over here by Mexico, but I'm not pointing that way, and I'm not really worried about this right now. I'm worried about these over here in the Gulf that might affect me and the whole coast over here. Here's another one. And see, here's another a right hand spin vortex over here. I didn't see this one. Those actually keep the storms away. That's what they call Sahara dust or whatever. It's not. Okay, think about this. If Sahara dust was coming off of Africa, which is where the Sahara Desert is, do you think it would be all the way over here? And do you think it would be so clear, how black and clear it is right here? That's from Orgone cleaning this whole area. That's where I'm pointing my main dish this way. The south dish is pointed this way. And you could see it all clearing, this whole area clear because of that. I didn't have my infrared light on, or else this whole area would be black right now. But it's so hot, I'm trying to conserve heat or coolness. And you can still see, even when my infrared light was turned off, you could still see that the jet stream is pushed down. Over here where I'm aiming my dish, it's putting a big dent in the jet stream to where this bad weather cannot come straight across into the Gulf anymore. It's going around down here. See how it lines it? As soon as it gets past my dish range right here, it goes right back up. You see that? It goes down and then it comes right back up where I'm not pointing this way. Remember, I'm pointing this way. Both my dishes are pointing like this. One this way and one this way. So you can see the dent where it makes, and you can see where it goes right back up over here and it goes straight across, because they have the whole jet stream pushed down somehow. I don't know how, but they had it wrong to where we were getting all the bad weather, and down here in the tropical areas weren't getting enough rain. That's why the forests were all burning up in the Amazon. This is all mafia tactics, folks, where you scorched earth policy. They're war tactics, where you drive people off their own land and you buy it cheap, or you just steal it and kill them. Why pay them if you can kill them, right? That's how the mafia does it. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this update really quick, because I haven't put a video out in a while. I've been a victim of my own success, actually, because there have been no hurricanes that have been hitting. So